who is better than whom, but we don't know by how much. Third is an interval scale. It measures variables where differences between values are equal and meaningful, but there is no true 0 point. 0 does not indicate absence here. So nature of data is quantitative and continuous characteristics, equal intervals between values, no absolute 0. Ratios are meaningless. Example, temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. 0 degrees Celsius does not mean no temperature. IQ scores dates on calendar. Statistical analysis is possible through mean standard deviation and correlation. Example is if any one city is 20 degrees centigrade, other is 30 degrees centigrade, the difference is 10 degrees centigrade, but 30 degrees centigrade is not twice as hot as 15 degrees centigrade because there is no true 0. Next is ratio scale. It is the highest level of measurement. It has all properties of interval scale and absolute 0 point. 0 means absence of the variable. Its nature is quantitative and continuous. It has equal intervals, true 0, and ratios are meaningful. Example, weight, 0 kg means no weight. Height, income, 0 means no income. Age, statistical analysis possible. All statistical techniques, mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and geometric mean can be applied. If a person A weighs 60 kg and a person B weighs 30 kg, A is exactly twice as heavy as B because there is a true 0. So scale or order, equal interval, true 0. Examples, nominal is gender, religion, ordinal rank, satisfaction level, interval, temperature, 0 degrees centigrade, IQ, ratio, weight, height, income. In short, nominal categories only, ordinal categories with order, interval order plus equal intervals, no true 0, ratio order plus equal. Here are real-life examples for each scale of measurement explained in detail. Nominal scale, categories only. Example, education, types of school, government, private, international. These are just names, labels. We cannot rank them mathematically. Examples, economics, types of industry, agriculture, manufacturing, services. There are categories without any orders. Uses, counting how many students attend government versus private schools. Second is ordinal scale, order but not equal difference. Example, education, student performance excellent, good, average.